So hey guys, welcome back. Today we have a quick video of just kind of going through my YouTube planner. I just wanted to kind of quickly give you guys an overview or flip through of how I use my YouTube planner and how I set it up for my social media purposes. So we're gonna get right into it. I got this classic size neutral planner back in January. I really didn't start using it until this month actually, because I was trying to figure out a way of using this as my social media planner. So watching a few videos, trying to do some research and get some inspiration, I came across At Home with Vida, so shout out to her. I tried mimicking her setup as far as she has for what she had, because I think she's using something different now for her social media planner. But I tried to mimic basic stuff that she was using for her social media stuff, and I kind of quickly found out that that really wasn't working for me. I don't know, it just wasn't giving me what I needed. So I kind of have tweaked this planner a couple of times, which like January through April kind of went to a waste because I was still in the process of trying to figure out how I wanted to set this up exactly. So what I did was I kept the yearly overview, but on the back of that it had the currently page for January, and I don't necessarily use the currently page, so I just covered it up and I added this right here. And then now, like I said, I only have 2 months at a time in here. So I have May and June, and we're currently in May. So this is what I'm working on for this month. What I decided to do with this monthly spread here is I added these little sticky notes here at my sidebar just to kind of give me a template of writing down my ideas for videos or things that I need to do. But if they're not done, or if I haven't committed to it, I will keep it on the sticky note, and that way I can just remove them and put them somewhere else if it doesn't happen to get done that day. And then what I did was, once I committed to it and I got it done, then I would just write it in, and then I know from there that it's something that has been done. So the sticky notes mean, well, the blue sticky notes mean that it's something that needs to be worked on, and then these little sticky notes here are just reminders for me of what's happening in our planner community, things that I want to refer to and stuff like that. So so that's what I did there. Then going into the actual planning part, what I did was I added a half sheet for my notes. Like, this will be my brain dump for any video ideas or video inspirations that I kind of want to piggyback off of and kind of make it my own. And or if I need to jot down like a list of supplies that I need to buy in order for me to get a video done, stuff like that. That's that portion right there. And then I just added this expense tracker to kind of keep track of what I am spending for YouTube, and like that would be planner supplies or whatever, so have you. So then I also got my hands on the project goals, which is absolutely working wonders for me. So what I do here is I just kind of, once I get my brain dump notes down, let me just get this out the way. Once I get my notes down, I can then go ahead and plan whatever video I want to plan, and I can write it down and just set up my whole my whole setup, which is what the video will be about, and then what I need to do in order to get it rolling and stuff like that. And if you notice, these pages are like not color coded, but they're decorative with the color. So what I thought of was just to kind of keep the flow going, I will use whatever color is on this page to kind of mimic how I'm going to set up my decor, or how I'm going to decorate my pages. So kind of keep it all in the same color scheme. Now typically what I do is I will try to get like 2 videos a week up for you guys, and this is something new that I'm starting, so just to kind of get back into the flow of getting more content out for you guys. So my goal is to at least put 2 videos a week up for you guys. So I'll put 1 video here, and then on the back I have room to add another video. So that kind of just lets me know that, okay, I need to go ahead and work on getting these 2 videos up within this week. Sometimes it happens that way, sometimes it doesn't. I'm okay with that, but at least this is a start for me, just to kind of get back into the swing of things. So same concept here, nothing different, and sometimes I may not be able to get to doing 2 videos a week because, you know, life happens and stuff like that. And what I'm trying to focus on now is actually doing the recording of the videos myself, which is why I'm recording on my iPad, because the hubby schedule is now conflicting with our YouTube schedules. So rather than just recording on Saturday and Sundays when he's home, I want to try to get those videos recorded during the week, and then we can edit and upload and have them up and ready for you. So excuse the shakiness if there is any. I am on my iPad, and I'm basically holding my iPad until I can get the little, we have the tripod, but I need the extension part to actually hold the tablet, so just bear with me, guys. So then this is this week's, and we have a lot going on. This spread here, I kind of just piggybacked off of the unique, Unique Happy Planner Challenge, where they were calling out for us to decorate our pages with the Squad Goals stickers. So this is my layout for that challenge, and again, this is my notes for the videos that I want to do, and here we are, we're recording that video for the YouTube planner. And then these were just some other ideas that I want to work on. And what I felt like I needed was a place to keep me, a marker to keep me like in place for, like, when I open my book, I know where I need to go to first automatically. So literally overnight last night, I created this little makeshift like bookmark. I'm not completely done with it. I am going to do the same thing on the back of it, but what I did was just take a piece of cardstock paper that I had lying around, cut it down, punched it, and then I used this little thing that I cut out from a sticker pad note that I had, like from the Recollections Chic, what is it, Chic, Uptown Chic paper pad. So, and I plan on, eventually I plan on laminating this just to kind of, so this would actually like move into each week or whatever. So I thought that was a cute little DIY project. If you guys want to see a video on that, just leave it in the comments below and we'll make sure we'll get that up for you guys. So here we have again my project sheet. I really didn't do anything with this, but I will, like, later on just add in what I need to add in there as far as like what I have done, and then when it needs to be completed. Obviously we're doing the video now, so that will be filled out soon. And again, we have another video that we need to accomplish for this week, and that is the Talk with Lovely video. Basically, I just wanted to kind of talk with you guys and give you my thoughts and my experience on submitting the submission form for the Happy Planner Squad Team open call. And I was inspired to do that by Tina Bopper 100, which is another great YouTuber out there in our planner community. So shout out to her. So yeah, I was inspired to actually, take a chance on myself, and I submitted my application. So fingers crossed, and we'll see what happens. So that's basically what we got going on for this. So now that you get the gist of the calendar part, so now that we have gone through our calendar section, I broke this down into subcategories. So I'm gonna just quickly go through with this. So here I have my idea section. So this is basically the brain dump of ideas that I want to do, video ideas, notes that I've taken, so forth and so on. So that's that. Nothing really exciting there. And then as you can see, I got these clear dividers. I believe I got them at Hobby Lobby. So these are great to kind of, just separate into sections and stuff like that. So originally, like I said, I was piggybacking off of At Home with Quita's style of how she was doing her social media planner. And I had picked up these because these were the sheets that she was using. And I'm going to see if I have what I used before. Yes, I do. So this is what I was using before. And I thought it was a good idea at first and stuff like that, but then I started actually using it, and it really wasn't giving me what I needed, or like I just wasn't really liking it, I guess. So how she did it was she would plan out her videos, her video ideas, and then once they were recorded, or I guess when she worked on it, she would place them here according to whatever day of the week and stuff like that. And kudos to her. I mean, I thought it was a good idea, but I just didn't really care for it too much. But then I was using like the back of this just to kind of write down my notes, my brain dump and stuff like that. So I would absolutely love this part of it, but I just wasn't really feeling this because it just wasn't working for me. So that's when we decided to pick up the project papers, the project sheets, I should say, the inserts, and I have to say that is working for me better than that. And I think she's using those now too, so shout out to her again. So we have the note section, or idea section, and then I have my section here where I have like just the inserts for my projects. These are some that I had already worked on, but I do need to go and put it in my schedule as far as when I'm going to do our videos for this. And then I have just extra blank ones here so that I can place into my weeklies as I go. So that's my project section. And then this section here is purchases. So, well, this part, I don't know why I have this here. That's probably gonna have to cut noise. So here I have just this section here where I keep all of my receipts for when I go shopping at Hobby Lobby, Michael's, or whatever. Anything that's planner related or YouTube related would go there. So, then it brings me to my next section, which is for the record. I basically labeled it that because I didn't have any other labels. I was using the label sheets that I got from Hobby Lobby, and that was another idea that I got from At Home with Quita. And so basically this is just a list of planner YouTubers, that I'm currently watching and that I typically like. Those are my go-to videos that I like to watch. So that's that. So I keep a record of that. And then I have this section here because I have some ideas that I still need to work on, and I just don't want to get rid of them. So that's why that's there. And then just put this pad here. This was from the Target dollar spot of the bullseye corner, something like that. Got this for $1, so I thought that that would be, you know, a good place to keep it if I need to use it for extra notes and stuff like that. So that is it. That is my YouTube planner. I probably will be adding some more stuff to it. I'm just still trying to figure out what else I need to put in this planner, so it will probably change again, but I'm so far liking this setup, and I'm liking the system. I'm thinking I will need to add a section just where I can kind of keep track of my stats and stuff like that, and possibly once I start working on doing collaborations or giveaways and stuff like that, I may need to add sections for that. So, but that's basically it. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you guys are new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can get notified when a new video is uploaded. If you guys have any questions or comments or requests of videos that you would like to see, feel free to leave those in the comment section below, and I will try to link a a link to At Home with Quita. If you guys haven't watched her video, she's awesome. So yeah, and kind of let her know that I kind of gave her a shout out or whatever. So until the next one, love you guys.